Hello students, today we are going to do chapter 2 of Kursbuch. Netzwerk chapter 2 of Kursbuch. In previous lectures we had done Kursbuch and Arbeitsbuch of chapter 1. Today we are going to do Kursbuch. Kursbuch of chapter 2. Okay. The chapter name is Freunde, Kollegen und ich, means friends, colleagues and I. Okay, friends, colleagues and I. Okay, the first picture, can you see the first picture? This one, it's the verb is fotografieren. Fotografieren means to photograph or to take pictures. To photograph. Okay, to photograph. Yeah, this is the R. First picture, fotografieren. Okay. Okay. Second one is singen. Singen means to sing. Yes, to sing. Third picture is kochen. Kochen. Kochen means to cook. Okay, fourth picture is schwimmen. Schwimmen means to swim. Okay, you can also see the pictures also. Yes. The fifth one, reisen. Yes, reisen. Reisen means to travel. To travel. Sixth one is tanzen. Tanzen means to dance. Yes, to dance. Okay. Seventh picture, joggen. Joggen means to jog. Okay, to jog. Okay. Eighth one, Musik hören. Musik hören means to listen music. Okay. Ninth one, ins Kino gehen means to go cinema or to watch movie. Yes, to go cinema or to watch movie in movie theater. Okay. Gehen means to go. So verb to go. Okay, and last one, chatten. Chatten means to chat. Okay. Okay, these all words you can note down in your vocabulary list. You can use this in your Goethe A1 exam. When the examiner asks you what is your hobbies, you can just tell your hobbies. For example, meine Hobbys sind Kochen, Schwimmen und Tanzen. Means my hobbies are cooking, swimming and dancing, like this. Okay, there you can use these words. Okay, there you can use this vocabulary. Okay, our first question is this one, eins, that is hören. Yes, hören means to listen. Was machen die Leute gern? Hören sie und ordnen sie zu means what people like to do, you need to hear it and you need to order it. Okay, for example, here first one is Emily, second is Boris, third one is Eva. Okay, for example, they already told for Emily, she likes schwimmen. Okay, now in the Huron we need to listen for all these three person what they like to do. Okay, let's hear it.
Hallo Emily, ich mache ein Interview über Hobbys. Sag mal, was machst du denn gerne?
Also, ich schwimme gern und ich jogge auch oft, besonders im Sommer.
Yes, ich schwimme gern und ich joggen im Sommer. So, second one is joggen. Okay, joggen. Okay, same way we are going to listen for Boris.
2.
Hallo Boris.
Hallo Maja.
Sag mal, Boris, chattest du gern?
Ja, sehr gern. Aber ich reise auch gern. Und dann chatte ich mit den Leuten, die ich auf meinen Reisen getroffen habe.
Yes, Boris likes chatten. Chatten means to chat. And reisen. Reisen means to travel, which we already did here. This one, reisen. Okay. And chatten also we did here. Chatten. Okay. Let's hear it for Eva.
3.
Hey Eva.
Hallo Maja.
Du, Eva, was machst du eigentlich gern?
Ja, also ich fotografiere sehr gern, zum Beispiel Freunde, Kollegen, Leute. Und am Wochenende tanze ich gern.
Yes. Fotografieren und tanzen. Fotografieren. Fotografieren gehen und tanzen. Okay, fotografieren means to take photograph, to take photos, and tanzen means to dance. Okay, like this. Okay, then the next question is Zwei A. Was machen Sie gern? Was machen Sie nicht gern? Yes, what you like to do and what you not like to do. This means not. Okay, crossing the an, you need to cross it. Okay, so this is for your activities, like whatever you like to do, you just need to cross it. If you like it's average, so like this you need to see this one. Yes, if you don't like it, then you need to cross like this. Okay, this is for your self activity, like kochen. We already did all these words meaning. Yes, you can do it by your own. Okay, then zwei b. Arbeiten Sie so weit, fragen und antworten Sie. Okay. For example, hören Sie gern Music? What does this mean? Hören Sie gern Music means, do you like to listen or hear music? So how you can answer it? Ja, sehr gern. Und Sie? So you can say, yeah, I like it, very good to listen music. And you? Like this. Okay. Same way, other question, gehen Sie gern ins Kino, like you like to go in kino, in cinema hall. So again you can answer like this. Okay, this one, tanzen Sie gern, like do you like dancing? So you can, if you don't like, then you can just say like this. Nein, nicht so gern. Und Sie? No, not so much. And you? Okay, und Sie. Und means and. Okay, und Sie. Okay, and as get, yeah, it's going good like this. Okay, it's in a informal way. Okay, drei a. Lesen Sie und ergänzen Sie die Verben. Verben means verbs. Okay, you need to read it and you need to fill the verbs. Okay, here verbs are spielen, leist, reisen, singt und koche. Okay, spielen means to play, leist means to read. Okay, reisen means to travel, singt means to sing, and koche means to cook. Okay, here these are in conjugated form, like leist, it is in conjugated form, singt it is in conjugated form. Okay, like this. Okay, now we need to read it and we need to fill the verbs. Okay, the first one already did it. We need to just see according to the picture. For example, ich koche gern. You can see in picture it's cooking, so it's ich koche gern. Second one, what does a second picture denotes? Yes, Tom und ich dash gern Paris, wir lieben die Stadt. Yes, Tom und ich reisen. Yes, So this one will come here, reisen. Okay, Tom und ich reisen gern Paris. Wir lieben die Stadt. We love the city. Stadt means city. Okay. Third one. Second we already did. Third one. Betty und die Bücher. Bücher means books. Okay, books. What is the sentence? Sie dash gern. Okay, it's talking about book, like she likes to read, so leist will come here. Okay, sie leist gern means she loves to read books. Okay, she loves reading. Okay, sie here is she. Okay, fourth one, fear. Das Hobby von Ben. Okay, ear dash super. See here, what he is doing? Singing. So the answer is singt. Er singt. Er singt super means he sings super. Hennis Margot und der Fußball. Yes. Sie here is they, because there are two persons, so they dash super. So according to the picture they are playing, so sie spielen. Spielen means to play. Okay, like this, sie spielen super. Okay, this we already did it. Yes, in our grammar. Okay, now 5a. Okay, you need to hear it and read the dialogue. Okay, this is the dialogue. Okay, and you need to decide when gehen Katja und ihre Freundin Betty ins Kino. When Katja und it's his friend Betty going in Kino. Kino means cinema hall. Okay, when they are going, you need to tell, while listening you need to tell the day. Okay, Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You just need to hear it and you just need to tell the when they are going to, when they decided to go. Okay, this is the transcript. Okay, you just need to read it and you need to decide it. Okay, first we will going to read it. Gehen wir ins Kino means, gehen means to go. So gehen wir ins Kino, it's in a question form. When we go ins Kino, yeah, again wann means when. Okay, Samstag, yeah, Saturday, yeah. Then this is nie means no. Das geht leider nicht. Leider means unfortunately not. Mittwoch, yeah, Wednesday. Then yeah, what is saying? Yeah means yes. Super. Okay, now we will listen it. Okay,
Aufgabe 5a.
Gehen wir ins Kino? Ja, gern. Wann? Am Samstag?
Nee, das geht leider nicht.
Am Mittwoch?
Ja, super.
okay, so Mittwoch. Okay, ins Kino. Klar, Leute? Okay. Again, these are the vocabularies in theater, in Schwimmbad, in restaurant, in museum, in cafe, in football stadion. Okay. This one is again Heurentile. You just need to hear the question and answers. Yes, these all are in question form. Yes, and these all are in answer form. Okay, we just need to hear the conversation. Let's hear it.
Gut gesagt. Nein.
Nein, das geht leider nicht.
Nee, das geht leider nicht. Nö, das geht leider nicht.
Aufgabe 6a. 1.
Gehen wir ins Kino?
Ja, gerne.
2.
Gehen wir ins Theater?
Nein, das geht nicht.
3.
Wann gehen wir?
Am Montag.
4.
Was machen wir am Montag?
Wir gehen ins Kino.
Okay, this was the conversation. Gains we ins Kino means we go on ins Kino. Then he is saying ja gerne. Gehen wir ins Theater? Nein, das gehen nicht. It means no. Nein means no. Das gehen nicht. No, that we cannot go that there. Okay. Third one. Wann gehen wir? When we go. So am Montag. Montag means Monday. Okay. Like we did it here. Montag. Okay. Was machen wir am Montag? What we are going to do on Monday? We are gehen ins Kino. Please do revise all the vocabularies, whatever we did it today, okay? Okay. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.